Yeah, man. Huh? Niggas claim they doing it like me, man, but they really ain't. You know what I'm talking about? Copycat, man. You know what I'm talking about? Catch up, fuck. This how I do it, nigga. Yeah. I like the ball.
All the way live, nigga. From College Park to Decatur, from Douglasville to Covington, Scottsdale to Stone Mountain, Tucker. Everybody in the A-Town, man, riding to this Mr. Crump, man. Watch out for that managed man. Motherfucking D-Money. Everybody on that motherfucking hood life, nigga, you better watch out.
I do it big every time. I got money. I'm on my grind. 24/7, oh, you know I got that work. Got the bricks, got the beans, bitch, I been had the perk. Hit your boy up on the church. Hell yeah, I'm coming down if you ain't.
You know what I'm saying? It's Blizzum, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
The Unlisted LP, you know what I'm saying?
About?
Coming up big in this motherfucker, man.
Yeah.
We gonna do it this year. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? There's a lot of hating going on, but shit, these niggas can't stop the motherfucking game. You know what I'm saying? Gotta recognize what it is.
A clean, clear, you know what I'm saying, a vision of the future, you know what I'm saying, because it don't stop, you know what I'm saying. When you hear this thing come through your system bumping, you know what I'm saying, on the radio bumping, everything was recorded here at Slick Records, you know what I'm saying, top-notch facility, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, gotta get my dog Jay the plug, you know what I'm talking about, we doing it big, you know what I'm saying. Get your money right, this shit ain't free, you know what I'm saying. Yeah.
Ain't no slipping, we gon' keep it flippin', ain't been good to me.
Well, it's that country slang nigga with his chain still swinging. Shelters on my feet, in the hood I'm still hanging. I ain't gang banging, but I roll with a click. Half flip the bricks, the other half hit the lick. If I call Lil Quint, he'll steal your shit quick. I call Greedy Courtney, you gon' get your shit split. You better recognize how this shit be real. We still in the game, cause we get it how we live. See, I ain't never scared, but I ain't bone crusher. And you ain't Superman, and nigga, we will touch you. Fuck around and bust you, you shoulda gave it up. Wanna try and buck and caught too off in your gut. Tryna show out for a slut, or get your murk quick. You laying down the granite while I'm digging in your bitch. See, the game been good, so shout it, I wish you would. Come out your mouth and try to violate my hood.
Ain't no fiction, ain't been good to me. Gotta get this money.
So y'all niggas know we saying the game been good to a nigga. 2005 niggas, get your money up like I say, man. You know what I'm saying? The game is really fucked up out here. These niggas hating and shit, but they can't stop shit. You dig what I'm saying? I got my big man Blizzum here, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we got the Unlisted LP coming for y'all niggas. You need to get your money up, go get that, cause it's off the chain, man. You know what I'm saying? It's off the motherfucking chain.
For real, dog. We got a lot of work, put a lot of work. That's like a year work. I'm saying, been up in Slick for like over a year, man, working on that project, man.
Over a year.
You know what I'm saying? Putting a lot of work in, man. We got a lot of hot talent on there. You know what I'm talking about? I got my dog Blood representing Florida for show. One time for my dog Blood, you know what I'm saying? Got my homegirl Misbehaving on there, I'm saying, with a little vile action for you hoes, you know what I'm talking about? That's my girl. Peace out to you, baby. And so Dev. Much love for letting her jump on the track like that. Respect, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got a host of underground talent, up and coming talent, Shawty. You gotta get that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? 1079 been showing me some love, Coco brother. I appreciate you spending me on that digger the dish shit. You know what I'm saying? When everybody called in digging my shit, dog, I'm loving you for that. I'm in debt to you for that, Shawty. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? That's much love, much respect. So you gotta check it out, man. And call the radio station requested, you know what I'm saying? The lead single, You Don't Come Around featuring J3 Misbehaving. You know what I'm saying? Something laid back, something for you pimps. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, get you know what I'm saying? Talk to your girl and you fuck up at home. You know what I'm saying? You want to get back right, go and throw it in there, let it bump to it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You goddamn jump right back on the team, Shawty.
Oh yeah, tell him, we can't forget that nigga Young Nitty now.
Yeah,
Don't forget that nigga Young Nitty.
You gotta get that Young
Coming
Nitty
to the
album,
streets,
Shawty, you know what I'm saying?
2005, motherfucker.
Got who on it?
April 30.
Got a lot of
we
people
got
on it.
Dylan on it, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? We
you
got
know
my
what I'm
man
saying?
Blizzum
For
on it,
sure,
you know what I'm
for
saying?
sure, you know what
We
I'm
got
saying?
the Corner Boys on there, me,
Yeah.
myself, J Slick CEO.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We doing it real big. You know
Yeah,
what
my
I mean?
man Birdie B got tracks on there, you know what I'm saying? I also represent Slick. One time for all the producers that helped me out on the project too, man. I'm talking about everybody, affiliated hustlers, you know what I'm saying? Down for Life Entertainment. Birdie B, No Face, Copper Tone, my dog for sure, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, dog, everybody in Florida that showing me love and everybody supporting me, my nigga. Represent, dog. I'm not playing. Album 4, nigga. 4.
Keep it real. Keep it real. Keep it gangster. Keep it gutter. Keep it gangster.
Hey, oh, we gotta get, y'all ain't heard that You Ain't Come Around, huh? We gonna bump that for you real quick, you know what I'm saying? Maybe we gonna go and bump that lead single so y'all know what y'all talking about when it come on the radio, you know what I'm saying? Be like, that's that same nigga, you know what I'm saying?
Where? From the
Been
hood,
doing this
from the
thing.
street,
Same
right?
nigga, you know what I'm
From the
saying?
hood, from the
Florida
street.
850, baby, so I'm saying Tallahassee, Bay County, you know you love me, man. Stand up, dog, represent for your dog.
Stand up,
you know what I'm
stand
saying?
up, east
Stand
side's up, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? East side's up, west up too, baby. What's happening? For life.
How we doing down this shit, man? You know what I'm saying? Come down here, you know what I'm saying? You smoke you a blunt down here, get your ass whooping pool while you waiting to get this shit mixed down, nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's what happens, you know what I'm saying? That thing is cool, right?
Gotta get this shit together, man. Uh-oh, he's loud. He's loud. Look at him doing the game. He can't do the game. On the real nigga side me.
That's why I'm going with BET and not ESPN. You know what I'm saying?
Side partner. Woo! Talking about wow.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, we got a joint bumping in the background. You hear, you know what I'm saying? That you don't come around, you know what I'm saying? And that song right there is real tight, man. You know what I'm saying? It took a lot of work to get that song together, but that shit came together real movies and real nice. You know what I'm saying? It's that laid back kiss, you know what I'm saying? Make you want to just bounce, but you know what I'm saying? You know, in the cut, you know what I'm saying?
Y'all see this song, man. Watch it. Watch it. Yeah, man.
Oh man, yo, I hope you put this in here, man. One time for my dog 6'8", man. You know what I'm saying? My dog got railroaded by the motherfucking system, y'all. You know what I'm saying? They giving niggas a whole bunch of time for little bullshit, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Conspiracy. You can't catch a nigga, you can't catch him cracker. You know what I'm saying? So now they had to make a conspiracy to just get niggas charged and lock niggas up because they can't catch niggas. You know what I'm saying? So one time my dog 6'8", dog. Stay up, my nigga. I swear to God, I got you when you jump. I swear, that's from everything.
Hey, what really needs to be told to all these niggas who try to make it in this game, man, the key to success is, man, have your motherfucking paperwork together. You know what I'm saying? Niggas need to goddamn have their publishing together, BDSs, you know what I'm saying? Barcode, you know what I'm saying? And just get your shit incorporated, man. You know what I'm saying? For a lot of y'all niggas that think it's hard to make this game, man, it's really not that hard, man. The key to success is have your paperwork together, man. Say this to you, man, Jay Slick, CEO of Slick Records, you know what I'm saying? Keep them gold blinging, the real fair, you know what I'm saying? He's just doing it big, though, you know what I'm saying? But for all y'all knuckleheads and people who know that, that's all I want to tell you, you know, so I'm back doing what I do, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? A lot of niggas ass on the bar. You know what I'm saying? So me,
One slip, it's over now. Whoop his ass.
3 slips. Oh no! You won't go out like that. See that? That's 1 slip. That's a fuck up. You know what I'm saying? Fuck up. Fall back.
This is real bootleg shit. You know what I'm saying? It's a real bootleg shit. The Bowler Miller, that should have fucking shot up in him, man. You gotta know how to shoot. You know what I'm saying?
Shit. 1 slip, fuck up. Trying to sit here and sample this shit right here.